Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Akis Petretzikis Tzatziki sauce. First, gather your fresh ingredients, focusing on quality Greek yogurt and crisp cucumbers. You'll need to prepare these carefully to ensure the best texture and flavor. We'll walk through each step, from grating the cucumber to mixing everything perfectly. Get ready to create a delicious and refreshing dip that everyone will love. For the best tzatziki, start with 500 grams of full-fat Greek yogurt. Next, grate one large cucumber and squeeze out as much excess water as possible. This step is crucial for preventing a watery sauce. Then, finely mince 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic, depending on your preference for intensity. These foundational ingredients are key to a flavorful dip. Now, in a medium-sized bowl, gently combine your drained cucumber, minced garlic, and Greek yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil for a rich, smooth texture. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined, ensuring all flavors are evenly distributed throughout the sauce. Allow your tzatziki to chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period lets the flavors fully develop and meld together. When ready to serve, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill or a final drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. It's perfect as a dip or a side, complementing many dishes. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals. Enjoy your homemade tzatziki.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.